Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be testing out the new Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. As you fabulous people know, this is about the product, not the people behind it. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away, because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So I'm not gonna lie, the moment I saw this was coming out, I marked that shit on my calendar. I am so fucking excited to try this. And it's not like I even smoke weed or anything. I mean, maybe a brownie here and there, but other than that, nothing. So I really don't know why I'm so pumped for this, but I'm really excited. I got this little bitch from Sephora. It retails for $24, so it is a little bit pricey, but if it works, it's definitely worth it. And according to the reviews on the Sephora website, it is worth it. This has almost 5 out of 5 stars, which I feel is amazing, especially for a mascara, because I personally think that mascaras, more than any other product in the beauty industry, claim that they do things, but they don't end up doing shit. So to see a mascara that might actually do what it says makes me very tingly in my naughty bits. The 1-star reviews are saying the brush applicator looks and feels cheap. It's actually too big to get a pretty application. Others are saying they were disappointed because the formula was clumpy and gloopy, their lashes got stuck together, and they noticed no volume whatsoever. It smudges really bad under the eyes over time. Actually, a majority of the low-rated reviews are saying that it smudges really fucking bad. However, the high reviews are saying something completely different. See what I did there? The 5-star reviews are saying the packaging feels luxurious and very well made. It's a really nice mascara. It makes their lashes look very long and strong. But even in these higher reviews, people are saying it still smudges like crazy. Overall, it seems like even if you like this mascara, over time, it's gonna smudge, and I don't really know a way to stop that. Maybe top it off with a different mascara. And I'm not seeing anywhere on this that says this is waterproof, so I'm wondering if over time the moisture from your eyes just breaks this down. But moving on, Sephora says this is a high volume mascara with nourishing cannabis oil, thickening heart-shaped fibers, and pure pigments for a clump-free, intense black finish. Heart-shaped fibers, that's interesting. Holy shit, I just realized my ears are uneven. I didn't even have to get high to realize that, but this one is like so much lower looking. The hell? Anywho, this Kush high volume mascara's unique heart-shaped fibers lock into lashes for long-lasting volume, length, and curl. Unlike gangly cylindrical fibers that can appear spidery, these hollow heart-shaped fibers lay on your lashes in each direction, creating the look of length and width. They are really pushing on those heart-shaped fibers. Conditioning CBD-rich cannabis oil fuses to lashes for thickness without fallout, while also working to fill the hollow heart-shaped fibers with formula for a double dose of volume. The cannabis oil continues to hydrate for healthier-looking lashes even after you've taken off your mascara. And of course, it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. That was a fucking mouthful, and not the kind of mouthful that I like. Just wait for people to get their emergency on. So, let's open this little beast up and see what we're working with. Oh my god, that is hardy as fuck. My god, you could use this as a fucking rolling pin. It's very heavy and the bitch has some girth. This is probably not one of those mascaras that you just throw in your purse. Like, this is gonna weigh your shit down. But with that being said, this does feel really good quality. Not so much luxurious, more industrial. Like, this feels like a damn pipe. In fact, I'm pretty sure this is metal, but I almost think it's supposed to replicate like a vape pen. I've never held or even touched a vape pen, but it's kind of giving off those vibes. The directions are pretty straightforward. They say wiggle the puff puff brush from lash line to the tip, pretty much like any other mascara. Let's see this puff puff brush. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I am so confused by that low rating because this does not feel cheap at all to me. I mean, it's nothing special, but it doesn't feel like a dollar store mascara wand. Let's see if I can see these magical heart-shaped fibers. No, I don't really see anything. I am gonna do a wear time test with this mascara, but before I apply it, I do want to do a really quick, simple look. Please feel free to skip ahead if you want. I won't be offended, but I do want to do a look. For foundation, I am gonna keep it on the somewhat lighter coverage side, so right under the eyes, I'm gonna highlight with Makeup Revolution in the shade F4. And then on the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with this NARS in the shade Salzburg. And for concealer, some ColourPop in the shade Light 20. For the eye look, I'm gonna prime my eyes using this CoverGirl Lid Lockup. This shit is amazing. I've always stuck to one eye primer for so long, and then I tried this. Oh my god, it is just so fucking good. I really want to keep this look on the light springy side, so to start off, I'm going in with Pretty Vulgar's blush in Prim Vixen. And like I said, this is a blush shade, but honestly, it just does not look good as a blush on my cheek, so I figured we'd give it a try as an eyeshadow. And it seems to be working pretty damn good. Then I'm gonna take a bit of a PopLuxe Double Life and just pat that right on the lid. For the lower lash, I'm gonna dip into this Winky Lux shade Cheshire Cheshire. And we'll just smoke that shiz out right down here. And then top that off with a little bit more of that pink blush. For lips, I'm going in with ColourPop Solo, with a little tiny dab of Ofra's Nude Potion right in the middle. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, mascara. I feel so naked without liner, but I don't think you'd be able to see the lashes as well if I did have liner. Also, ignore this spot. I accidentally went too high while I was trimming my sideburns. But here we go. All right, from base to tip, we're supposed to wiggle it. Wiggle, oh my god. That actually is making my lashes look really pretty. There we go. It definitely is making them look really freaking good. Oh, shit. I am so fucking messy today. Oh my god. Getting it all over my fucking eyelid. Damn. Okay, so what do we think? I will admit that I have very, very tiny lashes, so I was kind of hoping for something magical, and I don't see anything magical, but this is just one coat, so I will build on this. Can't believe I got it all over my fucking eyelid. They do say this is supposed to layer up, so let's go in with a second layer. Wow. I don't know that it's giving me like natural lash look, but it definitely is adding a lot of something. And if you were somebody who already had really voluminous lashes, this would be fucking amazing. But even on me, it's adding quite a lot to my lashes, but it's not at all a natural lash look. Like, it's still kind of giving me the spider-leg vibe. And I don't normally have an issue with getting it on my eye, but for some reason, I don't know if it's because it's so liquidy or what, but it is everywhere. Let's go ahead and try it on the lower lash. Ooh, that looks really nice down there too. But I think that because this is such a big fluffy wand, it's almost pushing through my lashes and pushing on my skin. So it's pretty, but it's really fucking messy. Let me add one final layer. This is literally like 5 layers of mascara that I've added to my upper lash. I just wish this wand would separate my lashes more because they are all sticking together and it doesn't look good. I mean, that could be because I added so fucking much of it. On this side, I won't add as much. So let's go on this side. I will say that with one coat, it does look really good. Like, it separates all the lashes and it does look a lot better than the typical mascara for me. Is it anything absolutely groundbreaking? No, not really, but it still does look very, very pretty. So I'm just gonna add the one layer to this eye. Let's go ahead and do the bottom lash. And I did curl my lashes beforehand, so honestly, this is probably as good as my lashes will ever get. But there we have it. I definitely prefer one coat of mascara versus several. Like, they did say you could layer it, but I don't think it layers very well. For me, the second layer just made it look really, really clumpy, and it was honestly all downhill after that. But I think that the single side looks beautiful. Like, for somebody who has literally no lashes, this is a big improvement. And here we are with it on. I'm gonna be honest here, and I'm really missing my falsies. Like, from a distance, it doesn't even really look like I have mascara on my top lash, just my lower lash. So do I think it made my lashes look huge and dramatically longer and bigger? No, but I do think it did make them look really, really nice up close. And it's not like this looks bad from a distance at all. I think it's just because I have such teeny tiny little lashes. But so far so good. There doesn't seem to be any fallout yet, so let's go ahead and do a wear time test with this. I will see you in just a second. And we are back. We did just hit the 5-hour mark, and honestly, I am ready to take this off. Like, my eyes just feel so fucking heavy and tired. But let's take a look at this. Holy hell, look at that fallout. Oh my god. Can you see all this happening down there? Like, what the hell? There is quite a bit happening down here, and what's weird is this is the single application side. Like, the side that has 8 layers on it only has a little bit of fallout. Wipe this shit away, my god. Ooh, and it does seem to be leaving a little bit of black residue behind. But once everything's cleaned up, this shit still looks pretty good. I have no idea why my eyes are so tired. I don't know. It could be just allergies, but I will say this is a very heavy mascara. Even with just the one coat of mascara on this side, I can still tell there's something on my eye. Like, I can feel that there's mascara on there. So you kind of have to decide, is the prettiness of it worth your eyes possibly getting tired faster? For me, because I typically wear falsies, that's definitely a big no, but for somebody who already has big lashes and just wants to accentuate them even more, that might be a total yes. I still think it is a very beautiful mascara. It definitely added something to my lashes, at least for a few hours, but do I think it's worth $24? No. Which is a big ass bummer because I did have really high hopes for this mascara, and I typically enjoy Milk makeup products. But for me, unfortunately, I think my favorite part of this whole product is the packaging. Excluding the big ass puff one, because I am fairly certain that's what made it such a mess on my eyeballs. Like, it's so fluffy that it just goes through my lashes onto my skin. I don't know if using a different spoolie might help, but really, I don't want to have to use a different spoolie every time I want to use this. So even though I personally don't think it's worth the money for myself, I don't think it's a bad product. If you're somebody who already has some big ass lashes that you just want to accentuate, this is the ticket for you. But if you don't really have lashes, this isn't going to do much for you. It's not a magical mascara that'll totally transform your lashes. I think it's a really pretty mascara, especially at first, but then after a few hours and over time throughout the day, it just looks like a normal mascara. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which just changed from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.